students, welcome to Vidya Myriad. This video is made for class 10 on chapter number 10, circles, and today we are going to begin with exercise 10.1 from Ncert. Before we begin with the exercise, let us understand what do you mean by tangent. A tangent to a circle is a straight line which touches the circle at only one point. Now if you look at the figure, there is a circle and there is a line CB. It is touching the circle at point A. So CB will be taken as tangent to the given circle. The point where the tangent touches the circle, it is known as point of contact of the tangent to the circle. So in the figure, A will be the point of contact. Also, a tangent to a circle in a special case of a secant when the two endpoints of its corresponding chord coincides. There is an important theorem with respect to the tangent which states that tangent at any point on a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact, which means CB is my tangent and OA, A is a point of contact. When we join it with O, it becomes the radius and it is perpendicular to the circle. So it means that your angle OAB will be equal to 90 degrees since OA is perpendicular to CB. Why? CB is tangent. So you need to remember this. So there are certain points which you need to understand. At any point on the circle, there can be one and only one tangent. That means if A is a point of contact which is touching the circle, if I draw any other line on it, it will not be the tangent to the circle. Okay. So for a tangent, it has to touch the circle only at one point. Number 2. The line containing the radius to the point of contact is called the normal to the circle at the point. So OA is the radius if you see. So now this can be also called as normal to the circle at the point. Certain things or how many tangents you can draw from a point to a circle. If there is a point inside the circle, then no tangent can be drawn. Okay. Only one tangent can be drawn from a point on a circle, and we can draw two tangents from the exterior point to a circle. For example, if you look at the purple figure, the T1P is one tangent and T2P is another tangent, and P is a point external to the circle. So from P we can draw only two tangents. Now based on this, we are going to solve the exercise. Question number 1. How many tangents can a circle have? Now what is tangent? We have just studied above that tangent is a straight line which will touch the circle at only one point. But we can draw infinite tangents to a circle. Why? There are infinite dots or points on a circle which will make as a circle. So we can draw infinitely many tangents to a circle. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. A tangent to a circle intersects it in dash points. So only at one point we have discussed. Number 2. A line intersecting a circle in 2 points is called a secant. We have studied this earlier also. Third, a circle can have dash parallel tangents at the most. So if you draw two lines to a circle, they can have only 2 points or two parallel lines which can be the tangents. The common point of a tangent to a circle and the circle is called the point of contact. So that is, we have seen the diagram. CB was our tangent. It was touching the circle at A. That A was known as point of contact. Question 3. A tangent PQ at a point P of a circle of a radius 5 cm meets a line through the center O at a point Q, so that OQ is equal to 12 centimeters. Find the length of a PQ. Now you are told that PQ is a tangent. That means the point where it is touching the circle will be perpendicular from the center of the circle. That means OP is perpendicular. That means it is a right angle triangle. And when we know the two sides, we can find the third side using the Pythagoras theorem. So what is it? We know the hypotenuse. We need to find out the base. We know the perpendicular. So it is 12 square is equal to QP square plus 5 square. When you solve it, you get QP is equal to square root of 119, which means your option D is correct. Question 4. Draw a circle and two lines parallel to a given line such that one is tangent and other a secant to the circle. Now if you look at the lines AB and CD, they are parallel lines where AB is the tangent to the circle and CD, it is touching the circle at 2 points, so that is secant to the circle. It means AB is parallel to CD. It's not necessary that you have to draw in this manner only. You can form or draw in any other ways also where AB and CD should be parallel. One should be tangent and one should be secant. That's all for this exercise, children. It was very simple, very easy. Just under the concept of tangent. What is tangent? Tangent will touch, it is a straight line which will touch the circle at only one point, and that point is known as point of contact, and that point when you join it from the center of the circle will be always perpendicular. So using that, and if we want to know the sides, by Pythagoras theorem we can find out the sides of those triangles. Thank you, children. Very soon I am going to meet you with the next exercise. Till then, see you children. Goodbye. Take care.